There is somebody here, the last one to tell you, he said, I will empower you to do exploit this year. Oh, yes. Hear me, hear me. The Lord said I should tell you, that fellow, he said, what has never been recorded before in your lineage, you will receive power to do it this year. Lift your two hands to God and say, Lord, please have mercy upon me. Oh God, please have mercy upon me. Have mercy upon my family. Have mercy upon my children. Cry for His mercy this morning. Oh Lord, please have mercy upon me. Lord, have mercy. Lord, have mercy upon me. Cry for His mercy in this service. Lord, have mercy. Have mercy upon me, Lord. Mercy, oh. Mercy, oh. Mercy is the will, mercy is the word, mercy is the way. Hey, mercy is the will, mercy is the word, mercy is the way. Mercy is the key, mercy is the key. Yeah, mercy. Mercy is my weapon. Mercy is the way. Mercy is the key that open every door. Mercy is the way. Mercy is my key. Mercy is the way. Mercy is the way. Mercy is the key. Mercy is the key. Ah, yeah. Mercy, mercy. Mercy of God will carry you to your place of fulfillment this this year in the name of Jesus. Somebody was sentenced for 12-year imprisonment for what he did not know about. In his place of work, they sentenced him for 12 years imprisonment. The police, with the spirit of adversary, told him, you will spend all your destiny in the prison. When the judge saw him, mercy spoke, and the judge said, no, I won't give you 12 years, I will give you 1 year. By the time he got to the prison, before 1 year is complete, mercy brought him out of the congregation in a place of fellowship, and they set him free. Every judgment against your destiny, from your father's house, from your mother's house, from your husband's house, mercy of God is speaking for you now. Hey. Mercy, 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 oh. Mercy, oh. Mercy, oh. Somebody was already walking into debt. He already surrendered all because he cannot control anything again. He's already in the grave of death, and mercy spoke. My son, you cannot die now. You are among the royal generation. We don't die in royal generation. We don't die, we fulfill. Mercy spoke, and that death was averted. I pray for you today, by the power in the name of Jesus, every covenant of death over your life, mercy will cancel it right now. A woman with a baby at the back, innocently going out, and Marwa tumble with the baby accident. But God of mercy, remember the husband here. He said, that man has come here to this altar. I cannot allow him to be a widower. No. I cannot allow him to cry over the wife and the baby. And mercy spoke. She met herself standing by the road with the baby out of the accident. I pray for you today, by the power in the name of Jesus, every calamity waiting for you this year, mercy of God will cancel them right now. Mercy is the key. Mercy is the way. Mercy is my weapon. Mercy is the key. Mercy is the word. Mercy is the way.